to show you how to use an amazing Google tool that helps with your research. It's called Google Explore, and it lives in the bottom of your Google Docs and Google Sheets. So to use Google Explore when you're doing research, kind of like this research project I'm doing for leprechaun traps, you click on the Google Explore button, and it opens up a search window right in your Google Doc. So let's see, the first question is, what is a leprechaun? And it wants an image. So I am going to type in leprechaun, and I'm going to look it up. Let's see if I can find an image. I'm going to click on image. Oh, I like this little one. So notice when my mouse is on it, there is a little plus sign. Click the plus sign. Oops, I forgot to put my cursor where I want it. So let's see, I'm going to cut, and I'm going to paste it into the box I want. There it is. Notice too, it already adds a link. And so you are done with what you need to do for citing this image for an assignment like this, because if someone looks at it and they hover over it, it will also include the link. So on to my next question. What kind of bait would you use for a leprechaun to trap it? So I think my keywords I'm going to use there are leprechaun and trap. Oh, I don't want images this time. I want some words. Let's see. I'm going to try this one, the second one down. Notice it opens up the research tab in another tab here. And I'm looking for things that I might use to get a sneaky little leprechaun to go in there. Let's see. That is a giant picture that these people have, but I'm going to keep going, keep going. Those are all just videos. Let's see. Research leprechaun traps. Oh, special leprechaun trap items. Maybe I'll find what I want here. Oh, leprechaun bait of some sort, like gold coins, Skittles, or Lucky Charms. Well, there you go. I'm going to go back here and type in. Notice I did not copy and paste. Click in my little box. Gold coins, Skittles, and Lucky Charms. I'm going to put cereal so we know that that's what that is. Here's the best part of using Google Explore. If I now take my mouse over, see those little quote marks that pop up? I'm going to click on them. And then it's a little tough to see over here, but there's now a little one next to my words. And when you scroll down, wait for it, this is the exciting part, boom, it is all cited for me, ready to go. So each time I used a website and found information, I would just click another thing and it'll add a 1, a 2, and a 3 as I go on. But this makes doing your research so much easier, and it keeps it all right in one place and easy to go back to. That, my friends, is how we use Google Explore, and I look forward to hearing how you're using it.